Good day everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up the timer for this watch Casio W737H. And yes, it has two unique features, and that is the auto repeat and also the progress beeper. So let's take a look at the timer mode. First we need to press the mode button from this timekeeping mode once, and now we are in the timer mode. And then let's set the length of the timer. So let's say I want to set the timer as 1 minute. To do that, I press and hold the adjust button on the top left. And now we can see here's 0 blinking. This is the hour, but we will not change that. But if you want to change that, you can press these two buttons, the start stop to increase and also the split to decrease. Okay, let's move to the next item, the minute, by pressing the mode button. And then I will set this one as 1 minute, so I press the start stop button to increase the number. Okay, and then I press the mode button again, so now we are in the second for the setting, but I will just leave it as 0, no need to change. And then I will press the adjust button, and now as you can see here, it shows a small icon. This is the auto repeat indicator. So if you want to activate the auto repeat, you can press either the split button or the start stop button. So now let's activate that by pressing, I'll just press the start stop button. Okay, on, and then we can press the mode button again. Now as you can see, there's a small tune icon here. It is asking if we want to activate the progress beeper. If you want to activate, just press either of these two buttons. So let me press this one, the start stop button, or you can also press this one, the split button. They both work the same, and yeah, it's active now, on. Okay, and then to exit from this adjust mode, I can press the adjust button on the top left, and yeah, that's it. So we have a 1 minute countdown timer with auto repeat, this one, and also the progress beeper. So what will they do? Let's start the countdown timer by pressing the start stop button. Okay, and then after this, the progress beeper will give us warning that we are reaching at several or certain time. So 50 seconds, and the progress beeper is giving us a sign. And then next at 40 seconds. And then at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the timer is done, 00, and it gives a beeping sound. And now with the auto repeat function active, then the timer is start itself. As you can see, it reached 0 and then start again from 1 minute. I will start the countdown timer by pressing the start stop button, and then reset using this one, the split button. And done. We can return to the timekeeping mode by pressing the mode button. And yeah, that's it. That's how to set up and also use the features of the countdown timer in this watch Casio W737H. Hopefully this video is useful. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.